Hello children, welcome back to your 7th standard mathematics class. We are doing lesson number 9, direct proportion and inverse proportion. Today let's see what is meant by partnership. A partnership is an agreement where parties known as partners agree to cooperate and advance their mutual interests. The partners in a partnership may be individuals, businesses, interest-based organizations, etc. Now, in starting a business enterprise, money is required for an office, raw material, etc. This amount is called the capital. So, in a partnership, the people start a business by investing in the partnership. So, in a business partnership, all partners have a joint account in a bank. The profit made or the loss incurred is shared by the partners in proportion to the money each one has invested. So, in a partnership, more than two people come together and start a business. The profit or the loss is shared in proportion to the money each one has invested. Let's see an example. Jhelam and Atharva invested 2,100 and 2,800 rupees respectively and started a business. They made a profit of 3,500 rupees. How should it be shared? In this case, we see that Atharva has invested more money in the partnership, so he will get more profit. The profit will be shared among them in the ratio of their investment. So here first we will find the ratio of their investment and then divide the profit in that ratio.
Now let's see a few sums from practice set 39. The first question, Suresh and Ramesh together invested 1,44,000 rupees in the ratio 4:5 and bought a plot of land. After some years, they sold it at a profit of 20%. What is the profit each of them got? Now here the total amount invested is 1,44,000. In other words, this is the capital. And the ratio of their investment is 4:5. Now after some years, they got a profit of 20%. That means they got a profit of 20% on the capital 1,44,000. Now the profit they got also should be shared in the ratio 4:5. That is based on their investment. So first let us calculate the profit received. The amount invested is 1,44,000. The profit is 20%. Therefore profit is equal to 20% of 1,44,000. That is 20 upon 100 multiplied by 1,44,000. So on calculation you will get that the profit is equal to 28,800 rupees. Now this profit has to be shared in the ratio of investment, which is 4:5. So the profit received by Suresh will be 4x rupees and the profit received by Ramesh will be 5x rupees, taking x as the common multiple. So the sum of 4x and 5x is 28,800. Then 4x plus 5x is 28,800. That is 9x is equal to 28,800. So x is equal to 28,800 divided by 9. Therefore, x is equal to 3,200. So the profit received by Suresh will be 4 times x. Therefore, 4x will be 4 multiplied by 3,200. That is equal to 12,800. So this will be the profit received by Suresh. And 5x is equal to 5 multiplied by 3,200, that's equal to 16,000. So 16,000 rupees will be received as profit by Ramesh. So your final answer will be profit received by Suresh is rupees 12,800 and profit received by Ramesh is 16,000. The second question, Virat and Samrat together invested 50,000 and 1,20,000 rupees to start a business. They suffered a loss of 20%. How much loss did each of them incur? Here first we have to calculate the total investment or the capital. They suffered a loss of 20%. So the solution is the total investment is 50,000 plus 1,20,000. That is rupees 1,70,000. They incurred a loss of 20%. Now to calculate the loss incurred by each of them, we have to calculate the ratio of their investment. Virat invested 50,000 rupees and Samrat invested 1,20,000. So let's calculate the ratio of their investment. The ratio of investment is 50,000 is to 1,20,000, which is equal to 5 is to 12. Now they incurred a loss of 20%. So now let's calculate the loss. They incurred a loss of 20%. Therefore, loss is 20% of their investment. That is 1,70,000, which is equal to 34,000. Now this loss of 34,000 has to be shared in the ratio 5 is to 12. So if x is a common multiple, Virat will incur a loss of 5x rupees and Samrat will incur a loss of 12x rupees. Therefore 5x plus 12x is equal to 34,000. That is 17x is equal to 34,000. X is equal to 34,000 divided by 17. Therefore x is equal to 2,000. Cancelling 17 and 34,000. So 5x is equal to 5 multiplied by 2,000. That will be 10,000. 12x is equal to 12 multiplied by 2,000. That's equal to 24,000. That is, Virat incurred a loss of 10,000 and Samrat incurred a loss of 24,000 rupees. So your final answer will be Virat incurred a loss of rupees 10,000 and Samrat incurred a loss of rupees 24,000.
Please practice the sum solved in the video. Thank you and have a nice day.